Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette and I just bought the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II and I am literally like head over heels, so excited. I bought it from Amazon and I came with a bunch of stuff and it came in this massive box, and I open the box so I can like charge the battery and stuff, so I can show you guys, turn it on with you, show you guys how it is, but I haven't turned it on or used it or played with it myself yet, so I'm just putting that out of the way. So I'm just gonna move this box out of the way for now, and I'm gonna start by showing you guys everything that it came with, and I will obviously have this link down below for you guys. So it came with a 50-inch tripod, and it is very compact into this, which is amazing, which is like good for travel and for storage. Okay, so it extends like this too, so it is pretty tall. I extended one of the things as far as it goes, and so sitting on the floor, this is about how tall it goes. It's a pretty good height. I'm not going to extend all the other ones right now because you're not even going to be able to see it. But I'm so excited to have a tall tripod like this, and I really love that it's so compact when I thought it was going to be much bigger than this and like storage wise, but I'm very excited. I feel like it'll be good for like fashion videos to have a tall tripod like this. And this is how little it is, all compact, which is amazing. The tripod I have now isn't this like tall, and it's much bigger to store, so like this can just get thrown in a drawer and it's perfect. It also came with the camera case, so it's just nice and little like this. It has little compartments on the side, and it has a strap so you can hook it on to carry it around. It came with two SD cards, one 64GB and one 32GB SD card. It came with this thing. It blows air out on this side. I honestly have no idea what this is for. I will have to look it up. I think online it said it came with something to clean the camera, so maybe that's what this is, but I'm not completely sure. I will, if I am wrong, I will put something up on the screen telling you guys what this is actually for. It came with a little cloth to clean the camera. It came with a little clicker thing to take pictures while you're not actually touching the camera. And it came with this little brush, which I believe is to clean the camera as well, just to get any dust off of it. And it has a thing on the side here just to push it in and out. So next it came with the battery charger and the thing to plug into the battery charger that goes into the wall. It is a pretty short cord, and it came with the battery. And finally, it came with the camera. This strap wasn't attached to it when it came, but I was the one who went and attached it, and it has the viewfinder that flips out like this, so it'll be great for vlogging so you can see what you're actually doing. Well, that's really cool the way you can have it straight up, or you can have it a little bit back. So here on the side is where you, on the bottom is where you put in the camera, so, I mean not the camera, the battery. So I'm going to do that right now. So it's telling me to set the date and the time, so I'm going to do that right now. And so it is amazing. This is what it looks like. I am so happy to finally have this. I literally cannot wait to use this, and like, you guys have no idea how happy I am to finally have this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing of the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I feel like literally everyone has this camera, so I wanted to have it too. I feel like everyone who has it, their videos are really amazing, and I really love doing YouTube. I have been growing pretty fast recently. I have gained 13 subscribers in the month of October, which is literally insane. Like, I literally never thought that would have happened. I know it's only 13 and it's not a lot, but I have 153 compared to 140, which I had in the beginning of October, which is just like a huge difference to me. My goal for 2020 is to reach 200 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe. It'll help me out with my goal so much. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below what other videos you would like to see, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video of mine. Bye!